When your Midea Portable Air Conditioner displays the P1 error code, it's indicating a critical issue that requires immediate attention. The P1 error specifically means either your water collection tank is completely full or there's a malfunction with the drain pump system. This error triggers an automatic safety shutdown to prevent water damage to your unit and surrounding area. The air conditioner will not operate until this issue is resolved. Now let's walk through the immediate steps to resolve this P1 error. These simple actions solve the problem in most cases. Step 1. Perform a complete power reset. Turn off your air conditioner completely, then unplug it from the power source for exactly 30 seconds. Step 2. Locate your water collection tank. This is typically found at the bottom rear of your portable air conditioner unit. Step 3. Clean the water tank thoroughly with mild soap and warm water. This prevents algae buildup and ensures proper sensor function. Then reinstall the tank properly, making sure it's securely seated. These simple steps are highly effective. According to technical support data, 65% of all P1 errors are resolved simply by emptying and cleaning the water tank. If these immediate steps don't resolve your P1 error, the issue likely involves the drain pump system, which requires more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When the P1 error persists after emptying the water tank, the problem likely lies with the drain pump or drainage system. Advanced troubleshooting requires examining these critical components. The first sign of drain pump failure is often gurgling sounds during operation. These sounds indicate that the pump is struggling to move water effectively through the system. To clean the drain pump, you must first access the pump housing. Consult your specific model's manual for exact instructions, as the location varies between different Midea units. Mineral buildup and algae growth are common problems that can block the pump system. This image shows the type of buildup that can accumulate in drain systems over time. For continuous drain setups, proper hose installation is critical. The drain hose must be connected securely, slope downward for gravity drainage, and remain free of kinks or blockages. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing P1 errors. Follow this schedule. Empty and clean the water tank weekly, inspect the drain hose monthly, and clean air filters every month. Professional installation setups, like this basement configuration, require proper integration with HVAC systems. These installations often need specialized maintenance and troubleshooting. When to contact a qualified technician? If the P1 error persists after all troubleshooting steps, if the pump requires replacement, or if you suspect an electronic sensor malfunction. Professional diagnosis can save time and prevent further damage. Advanced troubleshooting of drain pump and system maintenance requires systematic approach and regular care. Following these procedures will help resolve persistent P1 errors and maintain optimal performance of your Midea portable air conditioner.